Wait, okay, now it's working. Now it's working, testing. Oh, shoot. Wait, why am I even still talking? I mean, why am I even still typing? Let's see how small can I make this like that? Alright. This is too loud. What am I doing? I'm probably like blasting your ears away with the music. My bad. My bad. Wow. Wow. I should even be having these gummies, whatever. Ricola. Yeah, the first version. Actually, these are Arizona sour fruit snacks, mixed lemonade, and I'm already getting addicted to these. Somebody gave them to me in the parking lot, and wow. I don't know how I feel about the mango. It doesn't really taste like mango, but I do like the mixed berry though. I'll show you which ones I'm talking about. And by the way, not sponsored. That's how they. Oh. A case of 12 for $22.99. Well, I mean, it's more of an SUV, so it was less shady. And got it from an Indian man that reserves a parking spot in the garage. But if I feel something, I'll let you know. Maybe it's laced. Dang, apparently it has 90 milligrams of vitamin C, so that's like 100%. Has some calcium in there. I don't want to even look at what the... I don't even want to look at what the ingredients are in there. It doesn't even show. Oh, it does. Never mind. Like, what is fumaric acid? Like, I've never even heard of that before. Fumaric acid. Fumaric acid. Fumaric acid is an organic compound with many uses, including as a food additive in pharmaceuticals. Oh, hell no. I should stop eating this, man. Fuck. Fumaric acid is a traditional... Wait. What? Oh, God, no. Oh, I'm getting cancer. Fuck. Shoot. Says this is including as a food additive in pharmaceuticals and in the production of plastics and resins. Oh, why? Wait, what? Fumaric acid is a precursor to pharmaceutical ingredients used to treat neurological and immune diseases. Fumaric acid is used to produce paper resins, unsaturated polyester resins, alkyd resins, and plasticizers. Fumaric acid is found in many plants, including Fumaria officinalis, L. Boletus scabbard bullet. All these like names, I don't know what that is. Fumaric acid is an intermediate metabolite in the citric acid cycle. Fumaric acid is a white crystalline solid with a fruit-like taste. It's combustible but may be difficult to ignite. It can cause serious eye irritation, so you should wash your skin thoroughly after handling it and wear eye protection. Alright, I'm throwing these out. It's free, I'll throw it out and somebody else can dig it through the garbage and take it out and eat it. Yeah. Good luck to any homeless who finds it. Not meth advice. So anyway. No, it's not that. I didn't say that. Oh my god. Right. Just be careful with those crystalline those crystals that are on the gummies. If one of them gets in your eye, you're completely blind after one day. Or you might just get high and turn into a crackhead. Who knows? Archer. Rumble. Do you want to rumble? Man, that's incredible news. Incredible news, yes. incredible. All right. Let's see. I still have yet to. I don't know. I still have yet to research about this company. So let's see. So it's a 48.04 million market cap. What's the shares float? 91.72 million. What's up, Chris? Welcome back. Welcome back. Okay, listen to this. Railtown AI. Schedule a demo. So Railtown AI integrates with your software development tools, unleashing the insights you need to build, deploy, and scale your product. Yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo. Great. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Spirit, what does that say? Co-founders started and sold 5 companies already, 2 to Microsoft. Wow. Let's see, what are all the features of Railtown AI? Meet our AI conductor. Receive real-time notifications powered by AI and machine learning, ensuring prompt awareness and action on errors as they occur. Experience seamless monitoring, diagnosis, and prioritization of errors across your entire CI/CD environment, all within a unified AI-powered platform with deep integration throughout the CI/CD pipeline. Shipping high-quality software just leveled up. Efficiency you can measure: 43% fewer incidents, 8-hour plus saved per week per dev, 5 minutes to know which error to fix, and 50% ramp time reduction. Supports 50 plus languages and framework integrations like Asana, Jira, Azure DevOps, Trello, Node.js, C, hashtag, JavaScript, Python, and Semaphore. It has a lot of, wow, that's a lot of, it's a lot of framework integrations here. JavaScript, Python, Jenkins, GitHub, Circle CI, Harness, BuildKite, TeamCity, Bamboo, GitLab, CodeShip, GoCD. Already partnered with AMD and Microsoft against others. Wow. Pricing. What's the pricing like? Schedule a call. Railtown's AI Dev Toolkit. Included in every account: root cause analysis, ticket analyzer, release notes copilot, deployment control, unlimited users, unlimited projects. What you can use. Let's see. So Railtown AI is a platform designed for developers and software teams to improve productivity, efficiency by leveraging AI-driven tools. And some of the examples of what you can use Railtown AI for: error monitoring and debugging, so detect and track errors in real time across applications. Use AI to analyze error logs and suggest fixes automatically. Automated root cause analysis, so quickly identify the root cause of application issues. Save time by focusing directly on the part of the code responsible for errors. Performance monitoring, so monitor application performance to identify bottlenecks. Use insights to optimize load times and improve user experience. Continuous deployment assistance, so integrate with CI/CD pipelines to ensure smooth deployments. Automatically detect deployment issues before they reach production. Code quality improvements, so analyze the code base to suggest improvements and enforce best practices. Reduce technical debt with AI-guided refactoring recommendations. Team collaboration, share insights across development teams for faster issue resolution, and provide unified dashboards for error and performance tracking. 7, and last, here, number 7, integration with developer tools. So seamlessly integrate with platforms like GitHub, Slack, or Jira for workflow automation. Get real-time alerts and updates or errors for performance changes. Would you like specific use case examples or implementations? Yes. Specific use case example. Yes, give me a brief specific use case example. Wow. Oh gosh. Use case example: bug fix automation in an e-commerce app. So an e-commerce platform experiences a sudden increase in checkout failures. Railtown AI detects the issues in real time, analyzing error logs from the checkout API. It identifies that the problem stems from a recent update where a null value is passed to the payment gateway. Railtown AI suggests the exact code snippet causing the issue and recommends a fix, for example, adding a null check validation. The team reviews the suggestion, applies the fix, and deploys it using their CI/CD pipeline. Within minutes, the issue is resolved, minimizing downtime and restoring the user experience. This saves the development team hours of manual debugging and ensures faster recovery from critical errors. Wow. Let's see. What? Wait, what? Spells? Magic, now hair locks? What are you brewing? It's not what it looks like. It's Eric's fault. Oh, enough said. You tell him I said that. Damn, nice. You're off early. Well, you get to enjoy the rest of your Friday and just chill out and maybe a glass of wine. think about what next week is gonna bring. Uh, I wonder. I wonder what other use case example. Hmm. What? Hmm. Uh. Hmm. Oh, that's pretty cool. Let's see. Ready? I don't know what I'm just using here. Okay, so let's see. Not financial advice. Railtown AI Technologies has recently established strategic partnerships with industry leaders AMD and Microsoft, positioning the company for potential growth. Partnerships and achievements. Microsoft co-sell ready status in July 2023. Railtown AI achieved global go-to-market co-selling status with Microsoft. This designation allows Railtown AI to collaborate closely with Microsoft's extensive sales network, enhancing the visibility and reach of its AI-powered solutions with the Microsoft ecosystem. That was from the source Newsfile Corp. AMD Partner Network. Railtown AI has been accepted into the AMD Partner Network, aiming to accelerate AI-driven innovation. This collaboration is expected to leverage AMD's advanced hardware capabilities to enhance Railtown AI's software solutions. That was sourced by Railtown AI Technologies themselves. Now, welcome back, Gary. Potential catalyst for stock price appreciation. Increased market visibility. So the partnerships with Microsoft and AMD are likely to enhance Railtown AI's market presence, potentially attracting new customers and investors. Revenue growth. Collaborations with established industry players can lead to increased sales and revenue streams, positively impacting financial performance. Technological advancements. So access to AMD's hardware and Microsoft's platforms may enable Railtown AI to develop more efficient and powerful AI solutions, differentiating it from competitors. Expanded customer base. Leveraging Microsoft's global sales network could facilitate entry into new markets and industries, broadening the company's customer base. So, according to ChatGPT's analyst projections, not financial advice, according to available data, the average 1 year price target for Railtown AI is $1.56, with forecasts ranging from $1.54 to $1.60, and this represents a potential increase from the current stock price, indicating optimism about the company's future performance. As mentioned by Fintel. Wow, can I actually click on this? Oh, I can. Oh. Okay, this is from Fintel. And they have this right here, estimated share price by December 3rd, 2025. So for next December 2025, their projected stock price $1.56. But who knows? It could have, you know, it could reach that, a lot more sooner, with a lot more investor interests, attraction to this whole technology, and a lot more buying pressure added to the stock, in my opinion. So, from the price that you see now, which is what, 36 and a half cents, to the price target that it's projected, apparently, which would be considered about like a 300 to 400% gain. So let's see. Let's see what else. Let's go to the short interest. The short interest. Let me see. Wow, the only thing they have here available for Railtown is the off-exchange short volume, which is at 344,873 shares, which includes dark pool volume, and also the short volume ratio off-exchange is at 71.32%. 17 hours ago, they only had 450,000 short shares available, and their cost to borrow has been maintaining between 7 and 8%. So let's see, considerations. While these developments are promising, it's important to note that Railtown AI is still in the early stages of its growth trajectory. The successful execution of its strategic initiatives and the realization of projected financial targets will be critical in determining the actual impact on its stock price. Well, of course, look, even ChatGPT says that please note that investing in stocks involves risks, and it's advisable to conduct thorough research or consult with a financial advisor before making investment decisions. Because obviously what we're doing is pretty much doing our research together and doing our DD and getting ideas. Let's see. Let me see. What would to have just opinionated questions here. Let's see, what would it take to have Railtown go public or on either NASDAQ or New York Stock Exchange? So For Railtown AI Technologies to uplist to a major U.S. exchange like NASDAQ or the New York Stock Exchange, it must meet certain financial, operational, and regulatory requirements. So the breakdown here is that for NASDAQ requirements, which have three primary tiers. So you have the capital market, you have global market, and then you have global select market. The capital market is the most accessible for smaller companies, and their key requirements include a stock price minimum bid of $4 per share, a market value of minimum market cap of $50 million or 15 million in stockholders' equity. The revenue and income has to be at least $1 million in annual income from continuing operations, or $75 million in total assets and revenue. Shareholders, at least 300 to 400 round lot shareholders. Investors holding at least 100 shares each. Public float, minimum of 1 million publicly held shares valued at $5 million or more. And corporate governance, so they must comply with NASDAQ's governance standards, including an independent board of directors. So for the New York Stock Exchange requirements, they have more stricter criteria. So that includes a stock price of a minimum bid of $4 per share, a market cap of at least $40 million for smaller companies, earnings that have aggregate pre-tax income of $10 million over the last 3 years, with at least $2 million in each of these two most recent years. Shareholders, a minimum of 400 shareholders with 100 shares each. Public float, at least 1.1 million publicly held shares worth $40 million or more. And corporate governance, which must adhere to New York Stock Exchange's governance requirements. Now, financial growth and stability. Railtown AI would need to demonstrate consistent financial performance, including stable or increasing revenue streams, positive earnings or clear growth potential, and a strong balance sheet with manageable debt levels. Stock performance and liquidity. The company would need to ensure that its stock is trading above the required minimum price of $4 per share, and that it has sufficient trading volume to meet liquidity requirements. And this might require reverse stock splits to consolidate shares and raise the price if it's below $4, and marketing efforts to attract investor interest and increasing trading volume. The uplisting process. So for application submission, they have to file an application with either NASDAQ or New York Stock Exchange, including detailed financial and operational disclosures, SEC compliance, so they have to be ensured that they have full compliance with the SEC reporting requirements, including audited financial statements, and then approval and roadshow, so obtaining approval from the chosen exchange and conduct an investor roadshow to raise awareness. Mo Lester, how's it going, Mo? Welcome to the Lion's Den. It's a pleasure to see you here. Happy Friday, happy holidays. How's everything with you? Please chat, make Mo feel welcome, and share us your experience and your involvement with the market. How do you feel about this week's price action in the markets? How wild was it for you? Were you able to handle the heat? Because yeah, that was pretty intense. But we're currently going over the whole listing process for this one company that we're theoretically making a scenario as to what this one particular stock has to have in order to have full compliance and be able to become listed into either one of these big uh, these major exchanges. So let's see. Strategic steps for Railtown. They need to strengthen their financials through increased revenue and market presence, leverage its partnerships with Microsoft and AMD to build credibility and showcase growth potential, which I believe it's really important, because those are big, giant companies. Conduct additional funding rounds or issue shares to raise capital if needed while maintaining the required public float, and build a strong investor relations strategy to attract institutional and retail investors. Let's see. Very wild. Hope everyone was able to capitalize on it. Great for swing and day traders. Yeah. No, it was it was definitely that for the past 2 days. That's for sure. I mean, especially for the SPY. I mean, the way that the SPY moved from yesterday and today. As a matter of fact, no, Wednesday. So these past 2 days, talking about puts here, and get out from here, ride it up in calls and get out from there. Then puts from down there, and then ride it up all the way back into calls. Like, this is just literally, like, if you could just imagine, like, the amount of contracts and ODTs, and doing this in succession. I can't even say that word. In succession, how much you could have made throughout these past 2 days, especially today, actually, which was incredible. The swings just insane. I'm pretty sure, like, if you had enough contracts, I'm pretty sure you would have been well off, and probably buying a car, or maybe a house somewhere. But yeah. So I appreciate that, man. I appreciate you coming on here. Thank you for subscribing and liking the stream. Yeah, we talk about a whole bunch of other tickers, and we like to all do our research and do our DD and see what ticker is brewing for some type of action. We just don't stick with one or two stocks the whole time, every single day. We're just all about Wait, what? Wait, what am I seeing right now? Oh my god. Wait, am I seeing things? Hold on. Oh my god. Okay, I'm wait, I'm sorry. Wow. I've never. Wow, thank you so much. Shout out to you. Wow. Yeah, you literally got me like choked up right now. What? Wow, much love, Mo. Thank you for that. For the gifted. Congratulations to everybody who just got gifted by Mo Lester. And Sway, Dips Patel, Jeffrey Rocha, Jason G, Trip Kaiser, Wilhelm Meister. Haven't seen in a while. Chris, Avila Spectrum, C. Rob, Fire Drawn, Mike Nixon, Phil Haynes. I haven't seen in ages. Lucky Luck, Matthew Thompson, Artist of Teals. What happened to her? Shout out to her. Chris McShaw, Len Solis, and DH, Detroit's finest, DH. Wow. So thank you for your support. Thank you for doing that. Yeah, that's, man, that deserves a free invitation to the Discord, honestly, without a doubt. So if you're interested, I'm willing to give you a free invite to the Discord. And yeah, my token of appreciation to you for doing that. And that just speaks volumes. And again, thank you. So welcome. And yeah, we could, again, feel free to ask. We can conversate. We can talk about whatever's going on. What's your experience? What are some of the tickers that you are involved in? How'd you get started? I like to hear different other people's stories. So I just hope that they get the notifications, from when they get gifted, including a few that I see there. But we would just have to see what happens. But wow. Yeah, it does, right? Microphones. A microphone that just continues to cut off. Yeah, it really does. I am an options trader, but I am an inexperienced options trader. I think I'm still fitting myself in that amateur category. But there's times where I have good days and there's times where I have bad days. Like, for example, I had a good day today. I actually scalped on some leaps, and I'll tell you, I had lucid leaps, and it was for June 2025, $10 calls. And somehow the move that happened today with lucid managed to get those calls moving. And so, I had a good amount of contracts. So once it, moved up a couple of cents, I, pretty much scalped it and made off with a little bit of some gains, and called it a day, which is actually quite safer than, I guess, you're closer to expiration contracts, which is a lot more riskier. But before, in the beginning, I used to be a lot more aggressive and then a lot more degenerate in terms of playing options. So, But now I'm a lot more careful. I'm a lot more conservative on what I get into in terms of like expiration dates and strikes and all that. So I take my time and I get to look at like what the stock is doing in general. So that's my experience. What about you, Mo Lester? Mo, damn it. Gary, all right. Gary, enjoy your weekend. Thank you for everything that you've done this week, for contributing your the briefings on Discord, and what tremendous call out. Thank you for helping us out on that with a few of those tickers, like for example Nuke, that went and nuked itself and went sky high over 4,000%. And many others that we want to talk about. So yeah, man, enjoy. Much love, giant hugs, Gary, and blessings, man. I'll see you next week. Yes. Let me just catch up with the other peeps. I left with a Merry Christmas. Hard work pays off. It definitely does. Especially when you maintain your genuine, you stick to, being true to yourself and all that. Microphone, I am looking into a microphone, maybe a Shure microphone, a brand Shure, because this blue Yeti, for some reason the USB port is messed up. Johnny says, "Where is Kevin?" Kevin, I wish I knew, but he is surely missed by everyone here. So hopefully he's doing all right. Also Travis, Big JR going dum. Let's see. You want to see something crazy? Yeah. Show me something crazy, Big JR. Let me know what it is. And Jesse's like, I keep saying Mo Lester. Love the name. It's like I want to say it, but then it's like, no, I gotta stick with just Mo, because maybe YouTube might just cut my video because I'm saying Mo, Well, you know what's funny? Wait, was it Mo, Larry, and Curly? Hold on. Three Stooges. No. No, I think that was Larry. Mo, I'm working on getting funded by with Apex. Ooh. Wait, that's the... Oh, you're talking about the prop firm for futures. My friend, he's wanting me to get into a prop firm so bad. And he's told me that it changed his life. It changed his life a lot, and literally like he's making a lot on futures, and he only trades the NQ. He does the Nasdaq. For real, my dog's name is Bo. I called him Mo Lambo. Go to Yahoo Finance. Okay, let's do it. I swear, every time And I don't understand how that's even possible. I feel like I get. Okay. Type in wolf. Okay. Equity NCM. Let's see. Thanks. Working with crude oil and platinum. Wow. You already know where crude oil is going. Oh, wait, what? Type in wolf. Okay. Okay. Let's give it a candle. Go to historical data. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, you remember when we were talking about wolf in the beginning? It wasn't even $1 yet, I think. The Pep Boys, Larry, Moe, and Jack. Whoa, what happened to my taskbar? Look at every day this year, the open and the high of the day. Look at every day this year. Wait, so do you want me to switch? Wait, hold on. Just a year? So wait, hold on. Should I start from like the 1st of January? The open and the high of the day. Every day but 5, it popped up before going back down. Looks like perfect day trade. Really? Wow, hold on. Okay. Oh, January 1st? Wait, wait, hold on. I'm just gonna make sure. Open and high. The open and the high day. Okay. So January 2nd, you had the open at 293, the high of 294. The next day you had an open of $2.04, the high of $2.31. Next day is $2.27, the high of $2.35. January 5th, 212, the high of 213. 195 to 213. 205 to 216. 197 to 226. 244 to 246. 184 to 186. 163 to 163. 146 to 154. 146 to 152. 132 to 141. 133 to 150. 37 to 148, 148 to 157, 147 to 155, 161 to 175, 173 to 193, 191 to 202, 180 to 190, 171 to 184, 176 to 187, 177, 179, 160, 171, 169, 182, 207, 2020. Wow, so then the next month of February, we get into the twos. So 224, high 228. 222, high 248. 214, high 235. 248, high 252. 267, high 273. Okay. So wait, hold on. 4 cents. 2 cents. 23 cents. 6 cents. 3 cents. 1 cent. 5 cents. 5 cents. That's hilarious. Okay, so where does it get interesting though? I wonder. Looks like the perfect day trade. Like if you're doing calls, like if you're doing options or if you're doing shares. Because I get options, like, you know, if it moved up, you know, closer to in the money, then, well, and then if it was closer in the money, then it goes in the money, and then you scalp that. Wait until it goes back down, then do it again, get the same calls. Just shares? Oh, okay. Yeah, if you're working with like a giant amount of shares and just doing that back and forth, then yeah. Okay. 224 to 228. Yeah, because if you're talking about like, you know, 10,000, you know, just like that would definitely be like a great scalp, you know. Because if you just do it like with 10 shares, that's only going to give you like a couple of cents up, and then wait until it goes down, up, and then wait until it goes down, up, and then wait until it goes down, up, and wait until it goes down, up, and wait, you know, and so forth. Yeah, so this oh shoot. So yeah, so the first column is the open, and the second column is the high of the day. The third one is the low of the day, and then the fourth one is the close, I believe. But you can see like throughout the rest of the year how it's grown. So from the end of March, we're already getting close to $3 a share. We were getting to $3 a share. No, it actually dropped in April. Then going back, let's see. It didn't start going off until June, actually. So from two and a half to $3, then to $4, then to $5 in July. Just imagining, you know, trading here back and forth every day. Just a couple of cents, a couple of percentages every day, and just trading like that. I can see what Big JR is talking about now. Because if you think about it, 619 to 651. I mean, that's like a good 5%, 6% in my guess. And this is literally just dun 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 dun. Like just hitting it, hitting it, hitting it, hitting it, hitting it, all the way up. It's crazy. They use nuclear power. Holy crap. Wait, Eric G knows Mo. You know Mo? Mo knows Eric? Really? Say word. But like all of that and especially, oh my god, especially that rally after the elections. Wow. And look how it's grown too. Like if we take a look back at the 5 years, right? Wait, can it actually go back that around that time? I don't know. I mean, look where it was last year. Look at that. The beginning of let me see. So pretty much the beginning of 2023. This was under $1, around 60, 70 cents. And then ended up crossing $1 and then going back down to 50 cents. And then raising up all the way from $1.50 all the way down to about $3. And back, you know? So that's insane. So thank you, Big JR, Big JR, for showing that. And you can also take a look, because if you look at the miners, wait, do I have the miners here? Precious metals, miners, precious metals, the crypto. Do I have that? No, I don't. Oh, I guess not. Let me look at Wolf here real quick. Terra Wolf. Terra Wolf looks like it's... Wow, why does this look like a... Why does this look like a pennant forming? Ascending triangle? And it looks like also reminds me of inverse head and shoulders. Hold on. Whoop. 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 So from there, you hit it up, boom, break out over $7 again. If Wolf decides to get excited, let me see. Wow. Unbelievable. Everybody does know the legend. Me and Eric G served some time at San Quentin. You go way back? What? No way. It's a small world. Incredible. How does this look like on the 69-minute chart? You can even see it here on the 69-minute chart here, building up in momentum. It's actually getting really hot and red on on the Elliott wave oscillator. Very nice. And it looks very very frequent too. So this, and look, oh, as a matter of fact, wait, kidding? LOL. Molester Batos locals forever? Red flag. Wait, what's going on? Am I missing something? Oh my god. What I noticed too as well is that the trend is actually converging, if I may say. It's converging, and it's mostly have been trading you know, a couple of bullish candles here, some dojis, and right here you can see that the Hekinashi candle here transitioning from a bearish trend to a start of the bullish trend. So all of this has to start turning back around. You already see a bullish crossover here happen since earlier today, from 8:36 in the morning to like 9:45. So just after 9:45 a.m. Eastern time is where he had the RSI line cross over the 50-day simple moving average. And all of that, you know, it seems like there's more to come. I mean, if this actually continues going the way it does. Let me see. 56 million real short? What? How's that even? What? Hold on. $56,525,467 shares short, with a short interest ratio of 2.48%, 2.48 days to cover, and a short interest percentage of the float of 20.27%. Uh, 8,500,000 6 hours ago. So a lot of short shares. A lot of short shares that they would have to go through, which is pretty wild. Oh my gosh. Wait. Just messing? We don't know each other? Mo and Machichuchis, hope you guys never drop the soap. Wow. Wow, Johnny. Johnny. Yikes. Hope you don't drop the ditty. I thought it was moistly. Oh my god. Ew. Unbelievable. Oh, what? What happened? Wait, what happened? What is this? Did I just mess it up? What? Hold on. Oh, I'm about to say, what? Mo is Eric? Finkel is Einhorn? Wait. I thought Bob also was funny, but this one is hilarious. Eric, really? That was you? I know it was too good to be true, man. Having some stranger just gift me randomly 20 gifted, just like that. I'm like, yo, that's too generous, but yet too sudden. Something is off. Something is off about that. I don't know. Something is really off about that. But regardless, you already know how I feel. So. I really hope your cousins are not you either. Like the gorilla man. It's not showing me all the chat. What is this? That makes no sense. What? Wow, my thing is glitching now. It doesn't even show the... That is very suspicious. Maybe I am Eric G. Oh my god. Oh boy. What is going on? So confused. What? Pepe is up. Uh-oh. Pepe on the roll. Baby Doge on the roll. DJ also taking the same pattern. Seems like there's all these coins that are just above the 200-day simple moving average. Velodrome. Yeah, they're all tracking with each other, honestly. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, because Bitcoin is pretty much doing the same thing. Except for Bonk. Bonk went a lot more higher today. And if you guys didn't know, if you're not aware, Robinhood listed Bonk today at 3:25 p.m. Eastern Time. I got a notification on my phone from Robinhood saying that Bonk was listed officially for trading. And I'm like, whoa. That is crazy. And I never thought that would be possible. But it's like, wow, why Bonk onto Robinhood? And then what do we got for GME on Sol? GME on Sol seems like it's also tracking with Bitcoin. Quite surprised there. H bar at almost 27 cents. XRP at $2.28. Yeah, look, every chart that I go to, it's literally the same thing as Bitcoin. So I suspect that, if Bitcoin were to drop back down, just like it did a few days ago, after FOMC, then you best believe that the rest of crypto is going to track with it. This itself, like the way this is looking here, if it actually plays out, it looks like looks like a McDonald's shaped pattern. I'm loving it. And then just ending up like falling right back down to 92,000 over the weekend, which would be insane, because if that were to theoretically happen, if And mind you, there's already been 2x signals that just pulled off here on the 5-minute chart for Bitcoin. All right, we have this one signal here, and then we got another one here. This is like this. It's probably like your second warning, right? And then what tends to happen afterwards is that then you start getting more selling pressure, and then all of a sudden it starts to head back down. So that will depict and that will determine, in my opinion, that if Bitcoin fails to break out of this range, which would be considered over here, if it doesn't break out of this box here or this range, and then it starts to take a poop, right? Then you already know that that it's just going to do just that, and it's gonna take a lovely poop, and it's not gonna be a very nice one at all. It's gonna be pretty ugly. We could see this just fall down. It's the way you see it, and then just end up falling back down to 95, and then break below that too as well, and then just go all the way back down to 92, where you would see maybe, I don't know if it's possible, who knows, not financial advice. Mucho confuso. Alright, what's going on here? It wasn't me. Boom, bam, bam, boom, bam, 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 boom. We don't need no more, Eric. We got enough. Mo Lester. And it's still showing the beginning of the stream. That's funny. Alright, that's enough. Oh, what? Oh, wow, we had another squeeze event here? Another squeeze? Wow, we were just talking about that. We were just showing this yesterday. Remember NVNI Group Limited, and this was at what? listen to this. This was at a low of like 50 cents on Thursday, early in the morning on Thursday pre-market, and after market open, this thing just exploded, and this made another what? 2,000 over 2,200% in a day and 8 hours in 2 days. What the hell is going on? First it was Nuke. Well, first it was Wise Key, but it didn't really move as much as Nuke did. And then Nuke exploded in 2 days, reaching 77 and then back down to 40s and then back up to 80 and then selling back down to like 40s. Now you got NVNI for the past 2 days from 50 cents. From 50 cents to a high of 12.19. Are you kidding me right now? I mean, now it's just, now you can clearly see here, and you got the 3 X's here. You got 1 warning, 2nd warning, 3rd warning, and then it's probably gonna end up crapping on itself on Monday. Wow. I mean, literally, what is this? Like, how do we not see this happen? What else? What we have here? My size. Do you have this in my size? I don't know. Let's go ahead and check, because this size looks pretty fat and wide, and it literally ran from like $1.05 all the way to a high of $7.94. So wait, $7.94. $7.94 where? Here? No way. 600% in a day and 21 hours. Wow. Wait, what is this? The Marigold Companies? Why does that sound familiar? Marigold? Oh. Marigold. This is a trust, investment trust and mutual funds stock? The Marigold files $100 million mixed shelf registration with the SEC for the potential sale of up to $100 million of securities from time to time in one or more offerings. The filling covers common stock, preferred stock, warrants, and units. Proceeds will be used for working capital and general corporate purposes, it says. Wow. So what, based on that? Whoa. Okay. Okay, Marigold. Okay, Marigold Weather. Yo, DH. DH in the house. Detroit's own DH. Wow. Holy crap. That's crazy. Yeah, man. Mo Lester. Mo Lester gifted you DH. And I was like, wow, I'm like, yes, DH got it. And then I was like, damn, I haven't seen DH in a while. Wondering what happened. This guy's making all types of gains. Yo, happy holidays, DH. Hope you're having a wonderful holiday season. Being jolly, drinking your spiked eggnog milkshakes, protein milkshakes, and building all kinds of gains. All kinds. Yeah, whatever. What's been happening with Fishy? I've seen less rockets from Fishy. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. What happened? That's crazy. Damn, what is going on? Wait, what? Hold on, I'm confused. Happy Festivus. What? Did I hear? Oh, that's. Wait, is that Seinfeld? Festivus? Yeah, I remember that. Do you think the Lions have a chance this year? Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You're biased to Lions? Yeah. No bias to Lions. Any type of Lions, yeah, I approve. Shoot. What else went crazy? Oh, Cooler. Yo, look at Cooler in the daily, though. What a comeback. What a freaking comeback. Look at that. Wow. And then look at this. You got Cooler Technology Group raised to buy from speculative buy by benchmark, and then you have a group price target raised to $5 a share from $1. by benchmark. Um, wow. Um, hmm. So three is gonna be a critical level to try to break tomorrow, man. Not tomorrow, Monday. We're talking about Monday. And then what is this? DMAC. Oh, DMAC with a big pop. Diametica. Humusite. I remember I was remember we were talking about Humusite, and then it took like a big dump for a while. Let me see. 10 hours ago, Humusite is maintained at a buy by D Borrell. This was what caught me by surprise here. The price target by D Borrell Capital with a $25 a share. And it says here, oh, so here Humusite shares surged 38% on FDA approval of Symvis. Now, wow, so they got wow, granted full approval for adults. And the biotechnology company said the approval applies to use of the treatment as a vascular conduit for extremity arterial injury when blood flow needs to urgently be restored to avoid imminent limb loss, and when a graft of a vein used to repair blood vessels isn't feasible. Symvis was used to repair many types of traumatic injuries, including car accidents, gunshot wounds, blast wounds, and industrial accidents, said Humusite. What a breakthrough. What a breakthrough indeed. I remember talking about Humusite. It's wow, like, so it's a cellular tissue engineered vessel to treat vascular trauma in extremities. So, as you know, vascular trauma occurs when a blood vessel is injured, such as a rupture of an artery in the extremities, which can lead to serious life-threatening complications such as hemorrhage or blood clotting. And when damage to an artery in the extremity occurs, urgent surgical repair is needed to restore normal blood flow. The current standard of care for patients with extremity vascular injuries can include procedures such as autologous vein grafting, which is a surgical repair using the patient's own blood vessels, or implantation of a synthetic graft. Wow. So Symvis is a sterile cellular tissue engineered vessel composed of human extracellular matrix ECM proteins typically found in human blood vessels. It is manufactured using a tissue engineering process utilizing human vascular smooth muscle cells derived from human aortic tissue. Symvis is a one-time, single-use product surgically implanted to replace a patient's damaged blood vessel after a traumatic injury to the extremity. Wow. The safety and effectiveness of Symvis was assessed based on data from a prospective single-arm, multi-centered study in patients with life or limb-threatening vascular trauma. A total of 54 patients received Symvis to repair an arterial vessel in the extremity. Efficacy was evaluated based on primary patency, which is blood flow present without any intervention, and secondary patency, which was at least one intervention required to maintain blood flow 30 days after implantation. Of the 54 patients evaluated, 36, which is 67%, retained primary patency, and 39, which was 72%, retained secondary patency at day 30. 5 patients, which was 9%, underwent amputation of the treated limb within the first 30 days, and 50% of the patients underwent amputation of the treated limb by the end of study, month 36. Wow. Oof. So let me see. What is the deal with femicide? That is crazy. Is there like a video for this? Like, what is this? Wow. That could be a huge breakthrough for sure when it comes to these types of things. Wow. This was over $10 before, back in May 31st of this year. Reached a 52-week low of $2.48. A 52-week high range of $9.97. Where was this before? This was back at $16, almost $17, pretty much. $17.27 was the last all-time high here at around September 2021. The weekly still looks a little interesting there. Damn, how would you like to be in the group that didn't get the medicine? I'd be pissed and down an arm. Down an arm and maybe a leg. That's at least give you the money for being an experiment. I'll just get a mechanical arm with the money. It only has 1.52 days to cover. 20,333,918 shares short. 8 minutes ago, I actually posted only 15,000 short shares available. So they're running out of shares. But the borrow fee rates are not really a big deal. So I'm going to keep an eye on Humisite for a while and see what happens. On the hourly looks a little interesting here. Big JR, how did you figure out I'm Eric? To be honest, all this time I was thinking you were all talking about drugs. Thinking these guys are wild, always talking about drugs, pills. Yeah, and I'm here talking about a pharmaceutical company here. We're bugging. For real, we're bugging out here. We're bugging out here, having a good time. Dun. Miners? What is miners? Miners looks interesting here. This thing broke over the 200 SMA clean on the hourly. What is this about? Yeah, this is jumping. Let's look at the 69-minute chart here. The 69 chart here looking oddly bullish too as well. You know, like the 69. You know, I like the 69 because it's my favorite number. Mini chart. Very, very good. I love the 69. You gotta look a little up and you gotta down. You gotta up, you gotta go down. Miners. So that's Maine's Biomed. Let's see. 2 days ago, Maine's Biomed partners with Quest Diagnostics for colorectal cancer screening test. So forms agreement with Quest Diagnostics to provide clinical trials, laboratory services for colorectal cancer screening tests. December 12th here, Maine's Biomed offering 1,367,521 units, each consisting of one share, one Series A warrant, one Series B warrants. Okay. The offering expected to close on or about December 16th, which it already did. And looks like now everything is coming back up since the 18th of December. Well, we got the last high of, wow, 52-week range of 49.60, low 365. How does this look like on the daily? Wow. Oh, I had a reverse stock split. Of course. Oh, Lord. Wait, oh, what? Hold on. What? Seriously though, given though I had nothing about options, tell me the biggest perks of trading them versus buying stocks. The biggest perks of trading them versus buying stocks? Oh, DH is... Oh, he's out? Alright. Thanks for coming by, of course. DH. Again, have a safe holidays. Have a safe Christmas. And keep making those gains. I said Bano was in charge of the drugs. Right. That's the raves. See, Eric, I was misled. Yo. Yo, that's crazy. Oh, no. Minus. Oh, okay. Minus only has 0.37 days to cover. Only 87,996 shares short. Only 100,000 short shares available. cost to borrow here on a max of 91.15%. So that could kind of, you know, drive a little bit to the upside. Does it have no options? I guess not. Yep. Oh yeah. It might be that Minus is looking to start something, in my opinion. Let me go check real quick. Let's see what's going on here. On my options. Oh, okay. Oh my god. My god. Oh, so there is no shares. Okay. I mean, there's no options for Minus. Minus. Elut? What is Elut? Elutia. Elutia. Let me see what the losers are. Who was the biggest loser of today? PRFX. Oh, pain reform. Oh. Wait, somebody talked about this. Who was it? Pain reform. Who was it? This thing ripped yesterday from about like 215. This thing went up all the way to like 16. What was it, 1663? And then came back down. All the way back down to like 480. Wow. What? What is this? You guys just said the same exact thing. But that just made it a lot more obvious. Good job, Eric. Oh my god. So I think I'm slowing down a little bit here. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up. I'm giving you guys a heads up right now. Nuke. UA, I think it was fishy. I want to say it was fishy. But I think it was him that mentioned about UAVs, AG Eagle aerial systems, and this thing has not like it's still going down from this high of 1071, and now closed at 348. That's insane. That is insanity right there. Like, what? I mean, like, for real. .45 days to cover. No more short shares. Oh, 255.30% cost to borrow for UAVS. Oh, things are getting really crazy then, if that's the case. We might have to watch that one closely then. Introducing panoramic newsletter, your U.S. pre-market navigator. What? What? What is this? Is this a trap? This doesn't look safe. I'm not gonna. You know what? Nah, I'm not risking it. That looks faked itself. Like maybe Weeble got hacked. Who knows? Wait, what? Oh, GameStop actually closed on the after hours market at 30.26 from 29.82 on the close. Oh, look at this. You got an order for 6,737 shares for $30.25. 1,447, 1,363,000. Whoa. We might see some volumes come in maybe next week. In case. Okay. Does this have futures? Not futures. What am I talking about? Oh, there's no. Oh, okay. There's no. Yeah, I'm slowing down, and yeah, I gotta attend to certain things. So I'm slowing down, and I'm getting a little. All right, I'm gonna. Anyways, it's been a wild week. It's been a wild week, and oh my god, I don't even know what's gonna happen next week. So shoot, if we're gonna literally see that Santa rally or not, I don't know, but we're gonna see what's wondering what other developments occurs during this weekend, and maybe some things unfold that we might not expect. But yeah, thank you everybody for one wild week, and thank you to everybody who contributed, who supported, and who showed love, and who showed them vibes, like Eric G, like Big JR, like Mo Lester. Yeah, Big JR, man, I appreciate you for giving me the opportunity to dive in into the rabbit hole and find out what's more, what Rail Town is all about, and the potential of growth in the future for this company. And maybe, just maybe, I might partake in a small position just to play around. Oh no, maybe. Oh no. But thank you, and good luck to you too as well. Good luck to everybody, and yeah, have a great weekend. Enjoy, and yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Much love, giant hugs, and I'll give out also a big thanks. So Mo Lester with the 20 gifted, that is insane. And to those that got gifted, congratulations to them. And big thanks to Zelly and Big JR too as mods, and Fishy and Tan and Jesse and Fishy and Johnny and TP and DH and Gary and Kenneth and Moisley, or what was his name again now? He's always changing his name like every week. And Dixon and Prancin and Comet and Blitzen and Rudolph. The list goes on, but yeah. Anyways, have a good night, and yeah, be safe. Toodles. Hasta luego. Thank you for tuning into the Lion's Den with yours truly, Lion of All Trades. Love you all, and enjoy the rest of your day, evening, and weekend. Take care. Good night.